Hey guys, this is Wayne, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be hashtag wealth, hashtag money gang, hashtag throw it in the bag, because we have on a full face of the most expensive makeup that I own. So a couple of months ago I did a video on affordable makeup so that you could go to the drugstore. This is not that. This ain't that. This is expensive stuff that I'm putting on my face that I want you guys to see. This is an idea that I came up with while I was eating lunch today. So I decided I was going to film it. I was going to do it because I thought it would be fun. If you want to see what I come up with and what products I use so that I can feel, I don't know, opulent, extravagant. I feel like I'm part of the wealthy. I'm really not. We just go pretend today though. We just go pretend for like 2 hours that I have a lot of money and I bought a lot of expensive products. I mean, I did, but never mind. I'll see you in a few. All right, bye.
Money bag, money bag, money bag. Bitch, I'm making like a money bag. Money bag.
We're starting this tutorial with the Silk Canvas Primer by Tatcha, which comes in at a whopping $52. You do get a lot of products, so I guess it's not that bad. The good thing about this primer is that you really only need a little bit to cover your entire face, so even though you're paying $52 for it, it's going to last a long time. I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Brownies Eyebrow Gel in dark brown. This is $16 for this little canister. I'm going to carve out my brows with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Chestnut. This concealer is $30 for this little tube, this little pot. And guess what? I will forever buy this $30 concealer for $30. Forever and ever. Also, this is my MAC 195 brush, and this brush cost me $24. So this is probably one of my most expensive brushes too. I have not been able to get a skin tone concealer that matches me perfect enough to carve out the top of my brows. So recently I have been using the Hourglass Seamless Finish Stick Foundation to carve out the top of my brows. And this, I really like it for that because it's nice and creamy. And it costs $46. We are moving on to color correction, and for that I'm going to be picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the shade Medium, and they have an orange corrector in here. So I'm going to be using this. I've never used this before. I don't know how it's going to pick up on me, but let's try it out. This contour kit is $40. So I'm picking it up on my MAC 195 brush. Again, I'm just going to go in really, I'm just gonna pack it on. It actually corrected and brightened, so maybe it did something. Who knows? Okay, foundation time. We are using my boo. This is my Holy Grail foundation, the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation, up to 24-hour wear, long wear color, and this baby cost $47. And just like the NARS concealer, I will always buy it. I don't care how much it costs. I'm going to buy it. They get up the price. I don't complain, but guess what? Guess who's still buying it? Me. We are using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chestnut. This concealer is also another one that I will be buying forever and ever. And just like the Soft Matte Concealer, it is $30. I'm going to be blending this out with the original Beauty Blender. This is $18, I think, per sponge. Now I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek Chisel Cheek Brush, going back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and picking up Cinnamon to contour. So I actually don't have super expensive setting powders because I don't find a need to when the things that I have are just like really good. I do have a sample of the Laura Mercier, so I'm gonna try that out today. That is $38. This sample was free though. I'm gonna set and deepen my contour with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in the shade 30M, and this is $36. Going in with my NARS Taos blush. This blush is also $30. I feel like $30 is the NARS price point. I'm about to redefine my contour with MAC's Blunt Blush. This blush is $24. Alright, I'm going to do some eyeshadow. I'm pulling out my Natasha Denona Sunset palette. This palette cost $129. And this is one of the, oh my gosh, I really did splurge on this. I was like, I have to have it, so I just bought it. And I mean, it's good. It's like, it's alright. I didn't have to. Like, now that I have it, I'm like, you don't have to use it. I'm speeding through this eyeshadow application because it's not really going to be an eyeshadow tutorial. So we're just going to do something really quick and simple on the lid, and then we will get on with the video. Before I put my lashes on, I'm going to line my lid with the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. This liner comes in at $20. So I think it's my most expensive liner. It's either this one or the Clinique. I can't remember. For mascara today, I'm using my Lancome Hypnose Drama. This is my favorite mascara ever. I try to pick some up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because it's half off, which would be like 13 bucks because it's originally $27.50. So only buy this at Ulta during the 21 Days of Beauty sale. Right now I'm putting on the Lily lashes in Style Miami. These lashes originally are not 90. They're originally $30. So I think these are my most expensive pair of lashes. For highlighter today, I'm using the Cover FX Perfect Light Highlighting Luminizer highlighting powder. This highlighter is $34. Alright, so we are nearing the end of this expensive makeup look. I have two lip products that I'm going to be using today. So this first one is the Pat McGrath Blood 2 lipstick. And I got this in the set, like the entire set, the entire lip kit set, and it was $150. And then I have the Matte Trance lipsticks, and I bought these singly, so this was $38 for one lipstick, and I do believe that this is my most expensive lipstick that I own. This is gonna look crazy until I'm finished, but trust me, okay? Trust the process, even in makeup. I am picking up Obsessed, which is this orange color. Ooh. Yeah, it's orange color. And that's going to go right in the center. I'm going to use my Smashbox Primer Water. At $32, I believe that this is the most expensive setting spray that I have, especially since Bed Nye Final Seal is only $7, okay? So, here we go. All right, so guys, this is the finished look. It came out really cute. I had a lot of fun. I actually had to pull out a lot of old stuff to use, like, I haven't used my Makeup Forever bronzer in so long. I don't even know why I stopped using it because I really like it. But everything came out really cute. I really like it. Even the eye look, I didn't even know what was gonna happen with my eyes. I just decided to slap some colors on there, and it came out to like a nice little full look. I'm really excited about this. I can actually go somewhere after this, even though I'm just going to stay on the couch and watch The Office. And the lipstick is real cute too. I know y'all was looking at me like burgundy and orange, oh, but I be knowing what I'm doing sometimes. Anyway, so if you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Please click the icon that's down below the screen so that YouTube knows that you want to continue seeing my content. Also, it helps me, lets me know that you guys are enjoying what I'm putting out. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure you follow me at Glamazon1026 on Instagram and on Twitter. Anyway, guys, I had a really fun time creating this look for you, and I'll see you in my next video.